Hello my little YouTubers, how are we all doing today? Good, I hope. Okay, got another coin for you. This is Madrid, 200 pesetas. It's from Spain. I done one of my ships in Spain. I was there for about 2 months. Had the old shorts on every day. Getting paid to wear your shorts, unbelievable. Right, first of all, let's bang a hole in it. And what size? I think we'll go, yeah, this is good. This is quite a thick coin though, so it might not work. We'll see, yeah? If you don't try, you're never going to find out, are you? And I like trying different things out. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's got for us today. Right, this is my 20-ton press. Oh yeah, this is a... yeah, it's quite a thick coin. This might not work, but we shall see. Bloody wires. God, Jesus wept. Yep, it's stuck again. God, actually, my knuckle just cracked. Yeah, that's good. Right, how's everybody doing today? Good? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing, hitting that button, hitting the like button. Alright, this is Christy Burr, and he deburrs the coin. You just want to get rid of the little, if there's any cracks forming or splits. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. And we don't want a split ring, do we? Yeah, it's getting colder now. It's just above freezing last night. Another month or so I'll have to put my winter tyres on. In Finland, what's it, I think middle of November, it's law, you have to put your winter tyres on. They've got studs in them and all that sort of jazz. But that's good though, they do work well. Right, let's get Bernie the fire starter on it. Where's my lighter gone? There it is. The good thing about Finland is the roads are cleared every day, because when it snows, it snows. I mean, when I was working there, say, I don't know, 30 years ago, you was getting a lot of snow in November. But now, we don't get much snow at all until December-ish. And even then it isn't a great deal, but January, February, they're the worst months in south of Finland anyway, you know, Helsinki. But I do like it. And the cold, it's different cold than the UK. Like in Finland, it's a dry cold. It's quite bearable, believe it or not. I quite like it. So, what are we going to go for? Sunny side up on the ring. I think we'll go for this side. So this is going to go face down. I'll have to use 2 dies here, because this won't go all the way. Because all these dies are set up for American coins. So, God, gee, yeah, this is going to take quite a bit of fire. In fact, I think I'll just clean it up with Sandy. Clean the edge up. It don't look too bad. If you've got any comments or suggestions, you can leave a comment under the video, or you can contact me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Yeah, you got any things you'd like me to make or do, or you know, any ideas? Anything new you'd like me to make? Like a paper aeroplane? What the hell am I talking about? Right, let's give it a bit more love with Bernie. Yeah, this is going to be a thick ring. So I might have to do this a couple of times. Because as you work the coin, it re-hardens, so. And this is a thick mother. Let's really warm it up. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Okay, that's good. Let's dry it off. Right, let's go over to Spike. Best friend. He's my best friend. I love him. Right. The kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin. That's not too bad. Oh, it's rehardening again. Oh, baby. Yeah. It needs some more love. So any of my friends from Spain? Been looking for a nice ring? Come and get it. This will be the same as my other sort of rings, €28 plus 10 shipping. Because I also have to get the bus now because they've the postage over here is crazy. And there's no post offices near where I live. So I have to get a bloody bus every time I want to ship something. And that's what, €3. I mean, hopefully there's they're doing some building near where I live now, so there might be another post office turn up. So right, let's chuck it back on Spike again. Give it a bit more pain. That's looking quite good. Right, let's go down to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. Let's see what we got. Maybe this one. Yeah, that'll do to start with. That's level. It's square. Square in a round thing. God, Jesus wept. I think I'll give it a bit more fire now, because this is really a thick coin. When I first started doing this, I didn't used to anneal some of them enough. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I do custom orders, you can send me your own coins if you want. If you've got any wants or thoughts or whatever, drop us a line. Be nice to hear from you. I answer all my comments, good or bad. Must admit I haven't had that many bad ones. Well, I haven't had any bad ones really. Just a few guys saying it's illegal what I'm doing. But I suppose they're just sort of, you know, some people are like that. Right. And these are just reduction dies. Right, let's see, is it going to go? Oh yeah. It went good. Look at that. Maybe. No, I think that's pretty sexy. And it's, believe it or not, there's not, you can feel with your nail. There's no lip in there neither. That's weird. Right. Let's jump on Kate Bush. I've always wanted to jump on Kate Bush. She's back again now, evidently. It's in Daily Mail, English newspaper. Heathcliff and all that stuff. This is like quad zero steel wool on the end of this thing. I've only got some more of these today. They ain't bloody cheap though. Right, let's change her for Felton John. Now wax and polish on it. Give it a bit of a facelift. I'm trying to think what else I could do with these videos. You know, you get a bit bored of the same old, same old. I mean, I'm a big fan of Vice Grip Garage. I don't know if any of you guys watch that. Derek, well, he's a star player. Okay, he fixes cars, but they're always a bit different. I don't really know how I could change things up a bit. You got any ideas, let us know. Clean the old Mandy Pandies. And Dave the Dremel. This isn't for anybody in particular, so size doesn't really matter. I can adjust the sizes for you. Up or down. There is limitations though. I mean, small coins you can't stretch them too big, and big coins you can't reduce them too small. There is limitations. I've got a list somewhere of the sizes I can go to. I'll dig it out for you. Bloody wire wool sticks to everything. There you go, folks. You're from Spain, Madrid. Try the Pesetas. That's why I used the kitchen roll. 1992. Oh, it nearly fits my little finger. What size have we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. EU size, we've got a size 60. The good old United States of America is just over 9.5. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button for us so I could do with some more love. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Behave yourselves. And so be bye-bye.